Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're going to have a look at blob sentiment. Now, blob sentiment is actually just a combination of the polarity and subjectivity. So this should be pretty straightforward. Print blob dot sentiment. And we ought to get, wow, it's actually both pretty large numbers, polarity, subjectivity. And I don't know, well, what is the type of blob.sentiment? I think it's a list. Type. Yep. So, it's a special type, and given that it's like essentially an expression separated by a comma, it looked like a list, but who knows? If I'm curious if you could b equals to blob.sentiment and you can convert this to a list. If it can't convert to a list, then it is something inherently different. So it can convert to a list. So that is blob.sentiment. Now, I don't really see any reason to use blob.sentiment as opposed to just subjectivity and polarity. But I just wanted to show you this function. It only is going to take 2 minutes. And you can sort of quickly get a feeling for what the text is about by running